There's nothing I can do for an attack dog that's gone bad. I am sorry. That ain't no attack dog you got. That's a white dog.
Of course he's a white dog.
I don't mean his color. He's taught to attack and kill black people.
That's crazy. I don't believe that.
What the hell do you mean, huh? You see this scar, lady? You see this goddamn scar? Well, I got that when I was 14 years old. A white dog did it. I'm gonna call the police. I'm gonna tell them we got a goddamn white dog here.
I don't understand. 1 minute, he's gentle as a lamb, and the next minute, he's a monster.
He's not the monster. He was made into one by a two-legged racist.
You know, I don't understand how that can happen. I really don't. How can someone turn a dog into a racist?
Well, over 100 years ago, they raised dogs to catch runaway slaves. Then they progressed to track down runaway black convicts.
What about runaway white convicts?
Well, almost overnight, they graduated to a vicious breed of watchdogs trained to tear apart any blacks within sight.
Does he attack any other color?
Now, dogs live in a black and white world. Unlike ours, they live it visually and not racially.
The man who owned him,
Yes?
how did he turn him into a racist dog?
It's simple. Find a black wino who desperately needs a drink, or a black junkie who'll do anything for a fix, and then pay them to beat that dog of yours when he was a puppy.
A puppy?
The younger, the better. And as the dog grew up, those methodical beatings by blacks planted that seed of fear in him. And that fear became hate, and that hate conditioned him to attack the color black before...
Before a black can attack him.